All right, hello everybody. It has been a very tiring day. We have been moving all day and now everything is completely empty. This is like our second trip back to the house to get everything. So I'm just going to do a really quick house tour. So this is our rental house that we've been living in for a little over 2 years here in like the North Las Vegas area. So yeah, I'm gonna take you on a quick tour. Here we go. It's kind of dark, it's now nighttime, but I'm gonna take you through the garage. So you got a 2-car garage. And you go inside, and right off the garage, it's the laundry room. Stand back. There's the laundry room. It was pretty good size actually, and there was just a space here. Nothing was ever there. And then when you enter from the laundry room, there is a bathroom here on the left. It's a full bath, so this house was 3 beds, 3 full baths. Bathroom. And then here was the room downstairs. We use this as the pets room, but yeah, there's 1 bedroom. It's a normal size closet. And then the living room. So again, there was the bedroom. Here's the living room. This is a 2-story. So there's our cats hiding. They're not enjoying moving day. There's the front door. Yeah, if you go through the living room, there was the kitchen. An okay kitchen, not the best style or anything, but and then the backyard was an okay size for Vegas, but not very large. And then there's this closet that's by the staircase. Sorry, I'm going really fast, but we're really tired and we are ready to leave. But yeah, big closet that was here, which wraps around. I'm also using this video as a chance for me to just double check that everything is gone. Okay, now I'm gonna take you upstairs super duper quick, past the cats. Sorry, it's dark. So sorry, this is gonna be really hard to see because they didn't really have their own lights up here, or like they did have a couple, but those lights went out a long time ago and they never came to fix them. But yeah, this place, it had a den. So there's the staircase, and then here's the den. It's an okay size, kind of small, but behind here was a bedroom with a ceiling fan. It's like the same size as the one I showed downstairs. And again, there's the staircase, and on this side, this door has a bathroom. So here was the second bathroom, which is upstairs. Again, just a full-size bathroom. And then lastly is the master bedroom. And this had a ceiling fan. This was a big room. Big, really good sized room that we only ever used like half of because it was pretty big. And then here was the master bathroom. Again, it had a separate tub and shower combo with the double sinks, and then a separate water closet. And then super quick, the closet space. A pretty decent sized closet that you can share. So yeah, all right everyone, that is the entire house. I hope you enjoyed this super duper quick full house tour of our old rental house, and now we are ready to go finish unloading the U-Haul and then rest because we are super tired and hungry. All right, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions of what it's like living in Las Vegas or anything like that. And if you would like to receive notifications for when I post the next video, go ahead and hit that bell icon.